Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar, a marathoner, ultra marathoner, Comrade Marathoner, and an Ironman. I am coming live in association with Lifeshots to discuss HR based training and its importance in current times. We will discuss about heart rate as a driver for athletic performance. We will also discuss about the different dimensions of rest and recovery to train more, recover fast in this fast-paced world. So requesting you to please click below and register it today because we have very limited seats. Thanks a lot. See you there.